Oh, hi guys. It's me, Tootsie. Just coming to check my window, 'cause it's pretty early. And that's when the sun comes out really bright. And we had some rain last night. And you gotta get here early to see the birds, 'cause, they're looking for the wormies. And all the bugs. Plus it's a little chilly. That's why my window is not open. But I'm okay with that. 'Cause it's pretty early. I may just get something to eat, when Mom gets up. 'Cause she should be here any minute. Yeah. Probably gonna take a nap after that. That's what I usually do. I hope everybody's having a good day. Bye for now.